Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making sure your device runs the required OS and that Siri is enabled. This unlocks Apple Intelligence features. Once done, sign into iCloud and enable personalization so Siri learns from your data. Next, configure voice, language, and microphone access in settings. This improves recognition and context. Make sure to grant app permissions for mail, messages, and notes so Siri can summarize and act on content. These first steps create the foundation for accurate suggestions and hands-free control. Now you move into practical use. Speak natural commands and short follow-ups. Siri uses Apple Intelligence to infer context. For example, ask it to summarize recent messages, draft an email based on a thread, or schedule events found in conversations. Once you test a few prompts, tweak the intelligence settings to balance personalization and privacy. Limiting some app access reduces context, but increases privacy. Make sure to practice chained requests. Ask, then refine, because Siri keeps context for short sessions to complete multi-step tasks. To finalize, review and accept Siri suggestions so the system learns your habits. This improves future intelligence. Once done, train corrections by saying, "That's not what I meant," or edit results and retry so Siri adapts. If things go wrong, toggle personalization or reset Siri settings. Make sure your microphone works and your OS is updated. If responses remain off, sign out of iCloud and back in as a last resort. This often clears sync issues and restores expected Apple Intelligence behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.